Hey folks, so one thing we'd love to focus on in this video is why it is so valuable to use your individual login when playing Restore. Each user in your facility should have their own unique username and password. If you need support with this, please contact your clinical success manager or director, and they will support you in getting your team members set up. But why is it so valuable to use your own login and password with Restore? Well, that's because we want to help you unlock more and achieve more together. You'll notice on this home page here that you see, I have a few areas of importance: play and practice and my zone. What's great about these areas are that they are discipline specific and user specific as well. So in the play and practice area, you can see that I am being suggested certain skills that I might want to work on. And this is driven by the discipline that was recorded when my username was created. So in this particular instance, this Amanda user has life skills and cognition, meaning this person is probably a speech therapist or perhaps an OT. However, this user, as we can see, is being suggested more PT-oriented activities, such as weight shifting or lateral mobility. So because we know that person's discipline, we're able to encourage play and functional skill building based on that skill set. Additionally, in the My Zone area, you'll notice a breakdown of the most played games, the most played skill, number of activities, and number of active patients. This is specific to you as a player, as a user, and that's really important information because it helps give you those analytics that are important to your daily engagement.